3 healthy food recipes to lose weight easy. The best workouts in the world will not help anybody to lose weight unless those workouts are done in conjunction with healthy eating habits. Eating the wrong foods or wrong combinations of foods can destroy a weight loss regimen. Workouts and exercise are great, but you must combine those with healthy eating habits. Following are 3 of the best food recipes that can greatly assist in your weight loss efforts. Eggs and spinach. Eggs have long been demonized for their cholesterol content. This myth has now been dispelled, and eggs are not the cholesterol monster that people are made to believe. Eggs are indeed recognized as one of the best possible weight loss foods available. They are very filling and provide healthy fats, vitamins, amino acids, and minerals that are difficult to obtain elsewhere. They are not just a good weight loss food. They are in fact among the very best. A peer-reviewed study titled Egg Breakfast Enhances Weight Loss, published in the Journal of International Obesity, 2008, found that eggs were better at calorie reduction compared to a bagel breakfast. Pairing eggs with spinach and a little butter is also regarded as having a synergistic effect which helps the eggs digest easily. To make eggs for breakfast, poach 3 free-range eggs in water with a few drops of Bragg's apple cider vinegar. Sauté some spinach in coconut oil or ghee and serve along with the eggs. Add a little salt and pepper for taste. A simple, satisfying, and healthy breakfast. Beans and rice mix. According to a study published in the Annals of Internal Medicine, increasing fiber intake to just 30 grams per day can greatly assist with weight loss, reduce blood pressure, and improve the body's response to insulin. A mix of beans and coconut rice is a great way to achieve this. Make sure that your rice is soaked for a long time in fresh coconut milk. This beans and rice recipe provides 25 grams of protein and 15 grams of fiber. To make this dish, heat olive oil in a saucepan along with onion and garlic for 5 minutes. Add water, cooked black beans, cumin, and beef bouillon cube. Add rice and simmer for 20 minutes or until rice is soft. Butter coffee. This one may sound like a fad, but it does have quite a following. Butter coffee is a staple morning breakfast for people of the Tibetan culture. The ingredients for this strange recipe include 1 cup of coffee, 8 to 12 ounces, butter, 1 tablespoon of grass-fed butter or ghee, 1 tablespoon of coconut or MCT oil, honey or an alternative natural sweetener. Mix in a blender for about 20 seconds until the mixture is smooth and creamy. The quality of the ingredients is very important. The coffee must be organic and well brewed, and the butter must be from grass-fed cows. While the taste can take some getting used to, this drink is very filling, think oil and butter, as well as energizing. Coffee is also proven to be very effective at appetite suppression and a great weight loss food. Though under dispute, the fat is held to slow down the absorption of caffeine. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.